How to transfer Solana from Coindcx to Phantom Wallet. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Solana from your Coindcx account to your Phantom Wallet. This is a straightforward process, so let's get started. A Coindcx account with Solana in your wallet is a must, and the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed and set up. You also need your Phantom Wallet address ready to receive SOL, which you can get from the Phantom application or website. Now, launch the Phantom Wallet app or browser extension. On the main screen, click Deposit or go to Solana in your wallet. Copy your Solana wallet address by selecting Copy. Open the Coindcx app, navigate to the Funds or Portfolio section and search for Solana in your asset list. Select Solana and click on Withdraw. Paste the Phantom Wallet address you copied earlier into the withdrawal address field. Enter the amount of SOL you want to transfer and double check all the details, especially the wallet address, to ensure accuracy. Review the withdrawal fee and the final amount of SOL being sent. Complete any required security steps such as entering an OTP or 2FA code. Click Confirm to process the transaction. Now open your Phantom Wallet and wait a few minutes for the transaction to complete, and once the transfer is successful, you'll see the SOL balance updated in your wallet. Thanks for watching.